Efficiently integrating AWS S3 with Node.js, a step-by-step guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Amazon S3, simple storage service, is a highly scalable, reliable, and low-latency data storage infrastructure. Integrating AWS S3 with Node.js can supercharge your applications by providing efficient file storage and retrieval solutions. In this podcast, we'll walk through setting up a Node.js project for AWS S3 integration, configuring environment variables, installing necessary dependencies, building a universal file upload function, and wrapping up with final thoughts. Setting up a Node.js project for AWS S3 integration. Initialize a Node.js project. Macdar AWS S3 Node.js. CD AWS S3 Node.js. npm init y. Create project structure. AWS S3 Node.js / index.js. NVA NVAV NVA dan vs. Package.json. Configuring environment variables with a env file. Install.env package. npm install.env. Create a env file. AWS_access_key_id equals your _access_key_access_key_. AWS_secret_access_key equals your _secret_access_key. AWS_region equals your _AWS_region. AWS_bucket_name equals your _bucket_name. Load environment variables in index.js. Require.env. Config. Const AWS_access_key_id equals process.nva. AWS_access_key_id. Const AWS_secret_access_key equals process.nva. AWS_secret_access_key. Const AWS_region equals process.nava. AWS_region. Const AWS_bucket_name equals process.nva. AWS_bucket_name. Installing necessary dependencies. Install AWS SDK. npm install AWS SDK. Include AWS SDK in index.js. Const AWS equals require. AWS SDK. AWS, config.update. Access, key, AWS_access_key_id. Secret, access, key, AWS_secret_access_key. Region, AWS_region. Semicolon. Const S3 equals new AWS, S3. Building a universal file upload function. Create a file upload function in index.js. Const fs equals require fs. Const upload file equals file path equals greater than. Const file content equals fs.read file sync file path. Const params equals bucket, AWS_bucket_name. Key. Your file _name in _S3. Body, file content. Semicolon. S3.upload params, data, equals greater than. If, throw console.log file uploaded successfully. $data.location semicolon. 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 / call the function with the file path. Upload file path /to /your /file.txt. 2. Enhance the upload function with dynamic file naming. Const path equals require path. Const upload file equals file path equals greater than. Const file content equals fs.read file sync file path. Const file name equals path.basename file path. Const params equals bucket, AWS_bucket_name. Key, file name. Body, file content. Semicolon. S3.upload params, data, equals greater than. If, throw Console.log file uploaded successfully. $data.location semicolon. 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 / call the function with the file path. Upload file path / to / your / file.txt. Wrapping up and final thoughts. Integrating AWS S3 with Node.js opens up possibilities for handling file storage and retrieval in your applications. Following this step-by-step guide, you've set up a Node.js project, configured environment variables, installed necessary dependencies, and built a universal file upload function. This setup can include functionalities such as file deletion, listing files, and managing S3 buckets, providing a robust file management system for your applications. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.